I'm a systems administrator. Company's SSOE group. We're headquartered out of Toledo, Ohio. Architectural engineering firm. The warranty was a big thing. Coming to find out, when machines' warranties are, the report to build out, the cost of replacing those machines that are no longer under warranty or like soon to be expiring. With the agent being able to track monitors, docking stations, like pull serial numbers, things like that is all super helpful, and it's been something that we've used quite a bit. I would say time efficiency, the ability to, I feel like the tools alone, you're able to do the job of multiple people. So from like a cost standpoint, a time saving standpoint, and just how efficient it is for the things that I do on a day-to-day basis, literally every day, all day. It just makes your life so much easier, so much more convenient. The possibilities are endless.